Every day, millions of employees are unknowingly putting their companies at risk with AI tools, and they have no idea that they're doing it. Hi, I'm Gerald Dozier with Simply Cyber, and I'm here with Mick Baccio, Global Security Advisor at Cisco Foundation AI. This week, we're talking AI security for everyone, the essential info everybody needs to stay safe in our AI-driven world. Mick, let's start with the basics. What's the biggest AI security mistake you see everyday employees making right now, and what's a simple way they can protect themselves?
I think the biggest mistake that I'm seeing people do or users do is putting things in that shouldn't be in AI. You're copying and pasting confidential information into an LLM, and maybe that shouldn't go in that LLM.
If you had to teach your non-tech family member about AI phishing in 60 seconds, what would you tell them?
To be honest, I think my family is tired of hearing me talk about phishing, AI phishing. It's the same thing that I tell them with a regular phishing email, just more of it. Do you have the multi-factor authentication? Do you have your phishing resistant MFA in place? Are you looking at that email? Are you scrutinizing it the same way you would any other email that you get, verifying the sender, verifying the information? Does it look suspicious? Does it pass that, that smell test we all have inside of us? But I think the phishing resistant MFA is something that I've been harping on as part of the whole cyber vegetables thing for so long. And that is the biggest thing that I try and instill in family.
What are 3 red flags that should make any employee pause before using an AI tool at work?
So I think there are 3 flags, but to be honest, they're the same flag. First one is this confidential? Second one is this confidential? And the last one, you guessed it, is this confidential? That, I think, is the most critical thing you can do when you are using an LLM or an AI system at your place of employment. Is the information I'm putting in this confidential?
Mick, complete this sentence. The most dangerous thing about AI that most people don't realize is
humans. I think that the human element is always going to be the most dangerous element. You and I, we're both super awesome, good guys, but not everyone is like that. Not everyone develops these LLMs, these AI systems with goodness in mind. Some are developed strictly for nefarious content or for malicious purposes, and realizing that not all LLMs are built the same is something that will go a long way in your LLM adoption, your AI adoption.
Well, that'll do it with Mick Baccio, Global Security Advisor at Cisco Foundation AI. Folks, take these tips, protect yourself, protect your employees, protect your organization. We'll see you in the next one.
Stay safe out there.